Hello viewers, this is yet another day. We continue with whatever we have been doing. So there's a problem here we are supposed to solve. We have a question under the topic further logarithms, and we are supposed to determine the value of x. So for us to determine the value of x, we are going to solve this question using laws of logarithm, and after using the laws of logarithm, we will be able to determine the value of x. So the first step to do in this question, we are supposed to understand the rules of logarithms here. So we can rewrite our equation in form of log x plus 24 minus this one is the same as logarithm of 3 to power 2. Logarithm of 3 to power 2. Reason being 2 is the index of this logarithm, which is equal to logarithm of 9 minus 2x. Why have we taken these two to be the power? Is because when we have a number like a log b, it is the same as log b to power a. Log b to power a. So that is the reference that we have used to rewrite it as log 3 squared. So as we continue, we'll have log x plus 24 minus log 3 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9, so it will be minus log 9 is equal to log 9 minus 2x. Log 9 minus 2x. So there is another law which we call it the subtraction law of logarithms, and it simply states that log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a over b. We call it the division law. Therefore, this one we can rewrite it as log x plus 24 over 9 is equal to log of 9 minus 2x. So having this as our equations, the next step, we are going to drop the logs on both sides. So we are going to drop the logarithm. We will drop the logarithm, and once we drop the logarithm, we will be left behind with x plus 24 over 9 is equal to 9 minus 2x. So having that, we can cross multiply. Once we cross multiply, this is the same as over 1. Once we cross multiply, we will have x plus 24 is equal to 9 into bracket 9 minus 2x. When we have that, we will have x plus 24 is equal to 9 times 9 is equal to 81 minus 9 times 2 is equal to 18x. Remember, a positive number multiplied by a negative number gives us a negative number. So we are now supposed to put our like terms together, and we are going to take our x on both sides, and we are going to take our constant on the other side of the equal sign. We will have x plus 18x is equal to 81 minus 24. So x plus 18x will give us 9x is equal to 2 minus 24 is equal to 57. So having 57 is equal to 19x, we are supposed to determine the value of x. Therefore, we are going to divide both sides by 19. Both sides by 19. Once we cancel on that side, we are left with x. 57 divided by 19 is equal to 3. 57 divided by 19 is equal to 3, and we have solved our equation. That is how we determine the value of x in situation where we have been provided with logarithms. So the most important thing is understanding the rules of logarithm. And once we understand, or once you understand these rules of logarithm, you will be able to maneuver through finding the unknown, or finding our unknown variable. Today, I've taken this video, and for the sake of students who are partaking, or who are taking basic mathematics in the university, logarithm is one of the subtopics basic mathematics. So you can go through this video and do others, and continue doing others, so that you can keep on perfecting. If it is your first time to be, or to appear in my YouTube channel, ensure you click the button subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that each and every time I upload a new video, you'll always be updated. And I promise to do my very best to help you in your weaknesses, so that you can perfect and become better and better each and every day. Thank you very much. Until we meet in our next lesson, may the Lord bless you. Thank you.